Today we're going to talk about how to prepare dried fungus wood ears, also known as cloud mushrooms or jelly ears. A fungus. These funguses grow on the side of wood, and that's why they're called wood funguses and wood ears. And they actually, when they're reconstituted, they look like an ear. See, just like an ear. This is what they look like after they're reconstituted. As you can see, the bag that I had there, they came dry, and that's generally how you can find them. Sometimes when you're in the Chinese market, you can find them fresh, but dried, they're very hard, like kind of almost like bone, right? And you can't eat them like this, so they have to be reconstituted. And the reason why you're going to want to do that is because they're absolutely delicious. They have the most amazing earthy flavor, they're crunchy, they're fantastic in hot and sour soups, salads, stir fries, and we're going to have a really delicious recipe and a stir fry coming your way soon. So I want to show you how to prepare these wood ears to get them ready to cook or make them in a salad or a soup or whatever you want to do with them. Okay, so like I said, they come dried. You can't use them like that. So the very first thing you want to do is, there's many ways you can prepare them, but my favorite way is to use hot boiling water. I have in a tea kettle here, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour over your wood ear mushrooms, okay? And I like to leave them sit between 10 and 15 minutes. Okay, it allows them to open up and get rid of all the, the things they have on top of them. But the next step that I really want to do is, see, this is what it looks like when after they've had a chance to reconstitute in the water. Okay, you can see the water's created this dark brown color, right? And now they're flexible. You see, they can really move, and they have this really great texture too. And what you're going to want to do is run these underwater and use your fingers literally to wash off any debris that may be on it, whatever they might preserve them with, you do not know. So you're going to literally underneath the water and rub and rinse. And so that's my very next step. Okay, and then what you're going to do, sorry for the movement there, is you're going to have these lovely wood ear mushrooms, right? That look just like an ear, yeah? But there's one thing that in order to really use these, I don't know if you can see it, it has this little stem part right here. Can you see that? Right? That part is chewy and difficult. So what you want to do is just grab your little cutting board here, right? And just this little edge right there, you're going to take it and cut it off, okay? And if there's anything else that you don't like on it, then cut that off as well. At this point in time, it's kind of big, and I don't like to eat things that big, so if I was making a salad, maybe I might do like little tiny thin strips like that. For a stir fry, I might cut them up larger, a little bit like this. So we'll show you all these different ways, but the reason why you are going to absolutely love these mushrooms is the fact that they're good for your health. Okay, maybe in regular medicine we may say, oh, they're really high. They're high in iron, they're high in fiber, and that's fantastic. But in traditional Chinese medicine, they're cooling. Okay, and they help with the spleen and the stomach and the lungs. They help moisten dryness and promote hydration. But because they're cooling, these little guys are cooling, what you'll need to know is that it's really good to balance that with a little heat. What I mean by maybe some garlic, which is warming, or some ginger, or maybe some chili, which is fabulous. And it's absolutely delicious, like I said, in hot sour soup and salads and stir fries and all those kinds of things. So just to recoup what we did is they usually come dried. You have to first reconstitute them with hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then you got to rinse them under water really good, and then cut off their little edge here, and then you can slice them up and use them any way you want. And this information is in a timely moment because it is Chinese New Year right around the corner, and I know you're going to be wanting to make a lot of delicious dishes. So stay tuned because we have more coming your way. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.